Certainly. Let me go into more detail regarding DeepSeek's Janus Pro model and its features. DeepSeek has recently released Janus Pro, an upgraded version of its Janus multimodal model. This new version focuses on improving training strategies, data scaling, and model size to enhance both multimodal understanding and text-to-image generation capabilities. Here's a breakdown of the significant improvements. Janus Pro separates visual encoding tasks for understanding and generation. This separation helps to improve both tasks' stability and performance, ensuring that the visual encoding process does not conflict with the generation process. The key takeaway here is the model's ability to handle complex multimodal tasks with more flexibility and efficiency. This reduces previous issues where tasks could sometimes be in conflict or would degrade each other's performance. One of the major additions in Janus Pro is the incorporation of synthetic aesthetic data to improve text-to-image generation. This data helps the model generate more aesthetically pleasing and detailed images by fine-tuning its understanding of both the visual and textual input. Janus Pro uses an autoregressive framework for text-to-image generation, meaning it generates images in a step-by-step manner, refining its output with each pass. This approach allows the model to be more precise, and it performs better than previous models that didn't use this method. One of these standout features of Janus Pro is the separation of the visual encoding pathways for understanding and generation tasks. This not only improves performance but also makes the model more flexible. By separating these tasks, the model can handle complex inputs without compromising quality. Previously, unified models like Janus could struggle to handle multimodal tasks due to the blending of these encoding paths. Janus Pro resolves this by maintaining a single transformer architecture, ensuring scalability and flexibility. Janus Pro is evaluated based on multiple benchmarks: POPE, NM perception, scaled, GQA, and MMU. For visual generation, it's evaluated using Geneval and DPG bench. Janus Pro7b has outperformed previous unified multimodal models and even some task-specific models in these benchmarks. It showcases better accuracy in multimodal understanding and more detailed results in visual generation tasks compared to prior models like DALL-E 3. Janus Pro is based on two versions of the DeepSeek LLM models, DeepSeek-LLM-1.5b and DeepSeek LLM-7b. The 7 billion version performs better in tasks like Bench and Geneval, thanks to its larger scale and improved architecture. The model uses SIGLIP-L as its vision encoder, capable of handling 384 by 384 image inputs. This allows for higher resolution and more complex visual content generation. Image generation relies on a tokenizer with a downsampling rate of 16, optimizing the generation process and making it more efficient. Janus Pro7b has been shown to outperform DALL-E 3 on multiple text-to-image benchmarks like Geneval and DPG bench. The improvements come from the Janus Pro's better training processes, higher quality of training data, and an overall larger model size. These changes result in more stable image generation with finer details, which is key to keeping the generated images competitive with models such as DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion. Janus Pro is open source and available on GitHub under the MIT license, which means developers and researchers can freely access, modify, and implement the model in their own applications. DeepSeek has also made setup instructions available, which helps users deploy the model more easily. The model can be run in the browser using WebGPU via transformers.js for those looking to implement it directly without complex installation processes. AI expert Vedang Vatsa Frisa has highlighted that Janus Pro7b offers a cost-effective and open-source solution, noting its significant improvements over models like DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion. Huzaifa Shukat, another expert, pointed out that the Janus Pro model is impressive for its ability to understand images and generate them, with the 1 billion model capable of running directly in a browser using WebGPU. Janus Pro is a multimodal LLM that can handle both understanding and generation tasks in a more flexible and efficient manner. The 7 billion version is particularly powerful, outperforming some task-specific models. It's open source, meaning developers have access to the model for further innovation and usage in their projects. This model sets a new standard in the text-to-image generation space, outshining competitors like DALL-E 3 in certain key benchmarks. This release from DeepSeek has stirred considerable excitement in the AI community and is likely to influence the development of future multimodal models. The combination of flexibility, performance, and open-source accessibility makes Janus Pro a model to watch closely. Want to experience the next level of multimodal AI? DeepSeek's Janus pro7b is redefining the future of text-to-image generation, and you can be part of it. Whether you're a developer, AI enthusiast, or just curious about how powerful these models can get, Janus Pro has something to offer. Outperforming competitors like DALL-E 3 and pushing the boundaries of image generation, it's a game-changer for creating stunning visuals from text. Check out Janus Pro's GitHub now to get started. Don't miss your chance to work with one of the most advanced multimodal models out there. Dive into the future of AI and start experimenting with DeepSeek's Janus Pro today. Ready to take your AI projects to the next level? Click the link below and see what Janus Pro can do for you. Let's build the future together.